Hi guys, I just want to share to you my simple CRUD using Flutter. So let's start. On the landing page ng mobile app is meron tayong sign in, which is email and password. So I added a validation when the email and passwords are empty. Even with the registration, meron siyang validation. So ang contacts is meron siyang placeholder na 63, which is ma-add yan sa database. Like for example, create tayo ng account. Yung account. So ayan. So ang contact natin is ayan. And ang email is ayan, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na lang yung password. So click register. So nakapag-register na tayo. So try natin mag-login. So basically dito meron tayong list ng products, incoming reports and profile. So for now ito pa lang yung working. So let's try na mag-add ito. So ayan, view natin. So okay siya. Yung edit and yung delete. So guys, yun lang.